Srila Gurudev, he is in eternal Goloka Vrindavana. Also, he is in eternal Navadvip. How is manifest there in this?
Srimad Thakur explained Navadvip Dham Mahatma. The Vrindavan and the transcendental world, there are two sides. One is called Sambhogmaya Lila, or another is called Udarjamaya Lila. Sambhogmaya Lila is Radha Krishna meeting together, that is called Vrindavan. When Radha Krishna feeling separation, that is called Navadvip Dham, or Udarjamaya Dham. Navadvip Dham, many names. Udarjamaya Dham, Navadvip Dham, Gupta Vrindavan, many things. So in the same way, those devotees are doing bhajan sadhana to Radha and Krishna under guidance of Gaur Sundar, Gauru Anugatta Radha Krishna Seva. Then they will attend to transcendental world. At a time, two forms they can manifest. One form, they also in a meeting, Sambhogmaya Lila or Radha Krishna Vrindavan, and at a time they also serve Gaur Sundar and in the Viraha Lila or Udarjamaya Lila. So Guru Padma also always service in two ways. This is the Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta. In this way, Gaur Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. Those who are only worship Radha and Krishna, they only go to Vrindavan. But in Kali Yuga, we have to worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Other yugas, another thing, but in Kali Yugas, you have to worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Vinde Vinde Bhuat Keta Punna Punya Tatha Tatha Sarpe Hidi Akasma Radha Padam Muju Sudham Purasi. If you worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. So saying Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Vinde Vinde Bhuat Keta Punna Punya. Those who are very fortunate, millions births, they perform many kinds of pious activities or sukriti. Only they will worship Radha and Krishna, they will worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everybody will not worship Gaur Nityananda. Those who are very extreme fortunate, they will worship Gaur Nityananda or Gaur Gadadhar. And after when their sadhana bhajan will be perfect, complete, and they will go to Guru Vrindavan every time, and at a time also Shetadip Dham, Navadvip Dham. So our Guru Pada Padma, they also at a time servicing, because Dham, three types of Dham. Prakat Dham or another Drishyaman Prakash. Drishyaman Prakash, understand?
No.
Drishyaman Prakash, Leela you cannot see now.
No.
But the spot is there, place is there. Just we are going to Vrindavan, Radhakunda, Samkunda. Giriraj, Govardhan, Javad, Kokilavan, Parsana, Nandagaon. Okay? We are going there the place. But you cannot see, the Leela is not in there. But spot is there. Radhakunda is there. Samakunda is there. Place is there. But place may be some modified. People they modify or destroy anything. But spot is there. Place is there. So this is called this Drishyaman Prakash. Now we are going to Vrindavan. Actually, we are not taking darshan when Krishna performed his lila, Prakat Lila in the event. That you are not really not looking. Now looking at the place, or this place, Radha Krishna, they perform lila, or this. So now this is called the Drisyaman Prakash. And our Prakat Lila, when Krishna manifests his Lila in this material world and bringing that the transcendental world, Sri Krishna Chaitanya was Jive Dayakari, Swaparsada Siyadham Sahavata. Swaparsada with his own associates and his also own dham and manifested in this material, in this and Bhauma Vrindavan with his Yogamaya. Same dham and same again. Then Krishna, he performs sweet Leela with his Parikar associates. That is called the Prakat Leela. And 5,000 years before Krishna came, and with his Parikar, he performs sweet Leela. That is called Prakat Leela. And our Aprakat Leela, that is in Golok Vrindavan. That is in Nitya. And there is going on. Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusam Devamasritam. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, Krishna is very merciful and wonderful. And he brings or manifests his dham from Golok Vrindavan in this matter. And this Leela also manifests. Why? Because if anybody to listen his Leela Katha, or those who are very fortunate, Shobhagyavan, they can see Krishna Leela, then they can get benefit. Then they will get benefit. And so Krishna brings his dham and parikar. That is called Prakat Leela. Or Aprakat Leela, this Leela is going on there. But Aprakat dham or Prakat dham, there are little bit some what is called? Actually not difference, that is called some speciality. Prakat Leela, Krishna's direct, he performs many Leelas. That is called Nitya Leela. Some Nitya Leela, some Naimitya Leela. Krishna two kinds of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela, another is called Naimitya Leela. Nitya Leela, Krishna's main Leela, that is called herding the cows, meeting with the gopis, perform the ras dance. That is called Nitya Leela, eternal and transient. Naimitya Leela, some Leelas at the time in Aprakat Dham, that is not the form is there, but there are also some moods are there. There is no Kongsa. No Aprakat Leela. Aprakat Dham, there are no Kongsa. And there are no any demons and coming. Direct, you cannot see the figure of it. There is no form of Putana. But when Krishna performs Leela in this Bhauma Vrindavan Prakat, that time Putana she came in Braj, in Gokul, in the house of Mother Jashoda. Then Krishna, he killed Putana. Putana was Leela. Putana Mokshan Leela. Mokshan is deliverance of Putana. Putana Mokshan Leela is there. But there also Leela is there. Putana Mokshan Leela, deliverance of Putana. But there are no form of Putana. Asur form nahi hai. So how this Leela is going to? Jogmaya she arranged this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is this word. They are in Aprakat Dham, that is called Bhava Mantra. Bhava means sentiment. They think, oh, today Putana has come and Putana, Krishna, he kills Putana. Then Jiva Goswami Pad, in his Grantha, what is his name? Just I remember the Grantha. Gopal Champu Grantha. Jiva Goswami Pad, Gopal Champu Grantha. Also very nicely explain how their Leela is going on there. There is a very nice, beautiful place, and as like academy, where the 1,000 people can sit. What is called? what is the football match? The petrol
Stadium.
stadium. As like stadium, just understand. 1,000 people can, but million people can sit. And there are also Snigdha and Madhukantha. They glorified Krishna's very nice, beautiful, famous pastimes. Then all they are listening. But when Snigdha and Madhukantha, here Snigdha and Madhukantha, they also manifest in the form of Nalkuber and Manikriv. But there is also Snigdha and Madhukantha there. So Snigdha and Madhukantha, they glorify about Krishna Lila Katha. And all the absorbed and thinking they are Jogmansi, they direct all the Lila is going on there. Such thing, okay, Snigdha Kanta, Madhukanta, they Krishna, Putana she came, Putana she comes and she killed Krishna, Krishna, Krishna he killed Putana. And then when they absorb, they are thinking that direct Putana has come. I think Putana is not coming. Jogmansi arranged this Lila. But if I tell you, we can understand, or if you listen, can understand also. So, Bhakti Marika, Jiva Goswami Pada explain. Yavhadida bhava mantra. Bhav means sentiment. Understand? Because Jogmansi arranged this way. Also, so that is called, these types of Usur Maran Lila to killing the demons. That figure is not there, but Lila is going on there. Even here in Prakatila, Mother Jasoda, she gives birth the baby from her womb. Krishna Janma Lila here. But in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, there is no this is the birth Lila, Janma Lila. But this Lila is going on. But how this is going on? This is called Achinta Tattva. Because some Lila is very difficult to understand in our material brain. So just Bhakti Jiva Goswami Pada and explain some Leelas, they are called Bhava Matra. Understand? Sentiment. Understand? No figure. Just sometimes you are chanting holy names and sometimes you are looking something. Maybe you are looking Radha Krishna is coming. Then you go to Hari Radha Krishna. Understand? So this is called Bhava Matra. Because something is very difficult to explain Harida Bhava Matra. So for this regard, they can saying in this way, Krishna Lila in there also. Nitya Lila, this Lila is going on. Are going, this Lila is going on this. And Krishna he meets and performs Ras dance. That is Nitya Lila. That figure is there, everything is there. So these types of Lila is called Nitya Lila. And another is called Noimittik Lila, auxiliary Lila. Noimittik. Manittik Lila, there is no figure, but some Bhava Matra. These things. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also two kinds of Lila. One is called Nitya Lila, another is called Noimittik Lila. Nitya Lila, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed Nam Sankirtan. And how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu staying in Jagannath, what is called Navadvip Dham. Also there Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in no birth. Just Bhav Matra is there also. There is no Jogai Madhai. But that Lila is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu. They tell when Jogai Madhai Uttar. But there is no Jogai Madhai. No form is there. Actual, what happened, try to understand, when you listen Hari Katha and completely absorb, and that time you think that relies in front of you. If your mind little bit Suddha Satta, That time you can see this Leela is in front of you. These are things. So in the same way, Mahapurush Leela is going on there. Actually, there is also no sannyas Leela Mahapurush. Understand? There is no sannyas Leela. But in Prakat Leela, Mahapurush, sannyas Leela, Mahaprabhu, he goes to Jagannath Puri, Vrindavan, he is sannyas, but no sannyas. But sannyas Leela is going on this way. So at a time, Nitya Leela and Naimittik Leela is there. So one day I told, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he passed through Navadvip Dham and he took sannyas from Keshav Bharati. Mahaprabhu took sannyas from Keshav Bharati, Katwa. Have you been Katwa? No? No?
Not that I remember. I don't remember being there.
Are you going to Ekachakra?
Yes.
Ekachakra. But Katwa, Kalna, Katwa, Mahaprabhu's many Leelas is there, Navadvip Dham. Actually, we have to stay few months in Navadvip Dham. Then you can see Mahaprabhu's all the pastime places. We are going very quick and return back very quick. You have to stay Navadvip Dham at least 1 month. If you stay 1 month in Navadvip Dham, then you can go to all the pastime places of Lord Chaitanya. We are going to Navadvip Dham Parikrama only 4 days, 5 days. And 1,000 people running here and there. So no time to go to all the pastime places of Lord Chaitanya. We cannot see. But if you stay in Navadvip Dham, very calm and quiet, go one place to one place and see. That is good.
But we have to go with you, no?
Yeah, once come. Who will go?
Okay.
She is thinking maybe not. Just to tell, yes, I go. Desire will come. We go or not go, Krishna will arrange. What is the English word saying? Man propose, God dispose. They prove our desires, but Krishna desires is supreme. Understand?
Maybe next year. Next year, still
Next
1 month.
year. Yeah. You'll go
In
there.
Navadvip, yes.
Nowadays.
1 month in Navadvip and then
Only-
other month in Jagannath Puri.
Jagannath Puri, then another month in
Brazil.
Vrindavan.
Yeah, Vrindavan.
Yeah.
Then Brazil.
Then Brazil. Brazil.
Then then 5 months with you.
You cannot forget Brazil.
No, I could go there and stay with you there. But I mean, wherever you go, I can go.
Sure, this Drishaman Dham is the same as the Prakata Dham?
Prakat means when Krishna he performs his Leela, that they given, I told you, 5,000 years before Krishna came with his parikar. That is called Prakat. When Krishna do Leela in this Vrindavan, that Leela is called Prakat Leela. And or Prakat Leela, that in transcendental world, this Nitya Leela is going on. So Aprakat Dham, 2 kinds of Leela. One is called Nitya Leela, another is called Naimittik Leela. Understand? Eternally transcendental pastimes and the occasionally pastimes. Understand? Nitya Leela, I told Krishna, every day he goes to herding the cows with his friends, Subal, Sudam, Madhumanga. And he meets with the gopis and perform many kinds of Leela. What Leela?
I didn't look
Huh?
at the go for Rasa Leela.
Rasa Leela, Bangsi Chari, Krishna, Gopis, they steals the flute of Krishna. Yesterday a little bit I told.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, you did not finish.
You never finished?
Yes,
Yeah.
you stopped it.
Yesterday I told, very nice.
Mm.
Huh? Krishna. These things. And there are many kinds of Leela like that. Then Ras then water sporting, Jal Vihar Leela, Jabuna Leela. Jabuna Leela, Krishna how performed sweet Leela in the pastimes of Jabuna. Swimming with the gopis. Van Vihar. Van Vihar means Krishna wandering, walking in the forest with the gopis. There are many kinds of Leela. Actual, all the meeting Leela, Sambhogmoy Leela in there. And their Leela is going on very nicely and sweet Leela. And here also Leela is there when Krishna appears in this dham, Vrindavan dham. But here Jogmaya she arranged to mostly many kinds of the obstacles. Then their separation comes. There also separation. Both is there. Babaji Sampradaya, there is no separation. Only separation is there. That is not true. They are also separate because separation, viraha, nourishment, the meeting. Navina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute yatha ranjite kasa. And if the saffron cloth more and more to put in the cloth, what is called water, then saffron died. Then more and more delightfulness will come. Then deep color will come. In the same way, Jogmaya she arranged this way, separation. Separation is there also, here. But there separation, here separation is little bit different. What is that? Their separation, transcendental world of Prakardham separation, that is not long separation. Or here also long separation. So two kinds of Krishna's separation is also there. That is called Prabhas. Prabhas means when Krishna he goes to one place to another place, that is called Prabhas. So two kinds of Prabhas. One is called Durgata Prabhas and another is called Nikotgata Prabhas. Durgata means very far. And here we will see Krishna, he goes Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to what is it called? Dwarikapuri. Dwarikapuri, he comes in Kurukshetra, Kurukshetra to Mathura, Mathura to again Vrindavan. This is like that. But in so here also mostly that is called Sudur Pravas, long separation. Or in transcendental world, Aprakata Golu Vrindavan, not Sudur Pravas, that is called Nikotgata Pravas. Nikotgata Pravas means that Krishna just he goes to herding the cows, and that time gopis they are feeling separation from Krishna. That is also separation. And Khanardhopi, just one moment this separation from Krishna, they are thinking millions, and years they are not meeting with Krishna. Without that. If I tell to you, you cannot understand. But try to understand this way. Because this is Mahabhav stage, there are 6 symptoms are there. To Khanardhe, what is called? So one moment separation of Krishna, they are thinking millions. Years they are meeting with Krishna. Or millions years they are meeting with Krishna, they are thinking they are, that is called only 1 second. So these types of is going on. This type of separation. Jugaito nivesanam chakusa pabrisaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam virohenu me. Sixth Jugaito nivesanam chakusa pabrisaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam virohenu. And 1 second they also separate from Krishna, they are thinking millions. And days of Brahma, they are not meeting with us. This type. Just eyes falling down, eyelids falling down. This moment, they cannot also tolerate separation from Krishna. They are thinking. So, Jigai, Jugai, Tanivisanam, Chakusa, Paprisaitam, Sunnaitam, Jagata Sarvam, Govinda Virohini. In the separation of Krishna, how they are feeling. You cannot imagine. So these types of they like that. So in Aprakadham, their viraha is called Nikadgata Pravas. Pravas means viraha. 3 kinds of viraha. Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Premavachit. Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Premavachit. In the same way, 4 types of Milan, meeting. So in this way, viraha, nourishment, the meeting. In this material world, just give an example, when lover and beloved, they separate, and that time they are very eagerness to meeting again together. So much eagerness. Come. After meeting, then so much and happiness comes. So in the same way, Jogmasi arranged Radha Krishna's meeting and separation. So for this Rupa Goswami Pad, Ujjalimani Grantha, he explained this way. Ye nobina vipralambheno sambhoga pushti masmite jatha ranjiti kasaita vastra. The simple significance about these words, separation, nourishment to meeting. When separation, then mind always absorbed. When again I will meet, again I will meet. Yatha durastita striya. And when the husband goes to far country, then chaste lady always is thinking about her husband. This thing. So separation in this way and absorption. And actual separation is your. And sometimes also explains separation is higher than meeting. I gave many examples in my book. What is that? What is that? Brahmar Gita. Very nice. Many kinds of the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Goswami Pad, commentary at the end. I wrote many things. Gurudev many times he gave class in Brahmar Gita, Jigal Gita, Jenu Gita, Gopi Gita. So I note. Then I write. So maybe one day you understand. Just listen. Now listening. But one day, realization.
He explained that separation nourishes the mission, and here the separation is longer.
Here longer separation. Krishna, I told Krishna, going one place to another place. Krishna, he goes from here, Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Kurukshetra, Kurukshetra to coming, Mathura to Dwarka, Dwarka to Kurukshetra, Kurukshetra to again Mathura, Mathura to Vrindavan. Actually, one thing, Jogma, Krishna, actually he did not go. He does not go. Jogmasi arranged this way. And Krishna seated on the chariot of Akrura, and he is going Vrindavan to Mathura. Actually, when coming in the border of Mathura and Vrindavan, Akrura Ghat, and then that place, Vrindavan Krishna, he disappeared. He is staying in Vrindavan. This is Prakatita.
Oh, yeah.
He is staying in Vrindavan, invisible.
Yeah.
And then Mathura, this Krishna, he is seated on the chariot of Akrura and enter in Mathura. So here is coming, going. Actual, this is and Krishna is not coming, going. But in our vision, we are looking, we are hearing. The Krishna, he is going Vrindavan to Mathura. Vrindavan Krishna always staying in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam paritajam padam ekam nagachati. So who went? So Rupa Goswami Pada, Jadu Sambhuta. Vrindavan Krishna or Vrindavan Krishna, he always staying in Vrindavan. His expansion, his prakash in there. Krishna Lila is very complicated to understand. Swayamrup, Tadikatmarup, Avish, you have to learn many things. Then you may understand about Krishna Tattva. Swayamrup, Tadikatmarup or Avish. Tin Rupe Prabhu and Rahena Prakash. Swayamrup, Braje Bhajananda. His origin from Bhajananda Sam Dibhuja Muralidhar Sama Sundara. Bhajananda Sam Sundar and Nandanandan Jasodanandan. He is always two hands and playing flutes, 3 and 4. Parahapiran or Varupu Karnakarinkaram, Dibrata Vasukana Vijantamalam, Randhanu Veno Purana Govindai, Vindaran, Sapataraman, Pravisadikiti Kirti. This is Krishna Swayamrup, origin form. So saying Swayamrupe Braje Brajendra Nandan. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya. Swayamrupe Brajendra. Swayamrup, then Swayamrup again to Swayamrup and Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash manifests in 2 forms. Again, in the form of Ras dance and in Dwarka with the Mahisis. Then another form of Swayam Prakash, there is Baladev Prabhu. Krishna manifested Baladev Prabhu, Krishna's and that is called his and Ditya Vigraha. Baladev Prabhu. Actually, who is Baladev Prabhu? Baladev Prabhu is Krishna. And there are no difference Baladev Prabhu. There is no difference Baladev and Krishna. Just Baladev Prabhu, fresh complexion, or Krishna is called blackish. These are different. But same Krishna, he manifests in the form of Baladev Prabhu. Krishna, he keeps the peacock feather. And Baladev Prabhu, he keeps not peacock feather, but sometimes also Baladev Prabhu keeps. And Krishna, he plays the flute. Baladev Prabhu, he plays the what is called? Horn. This place. Sometimes Baladev Prabhu also plays the flute, but without playing the flute, how Baladev Prabhu will perform Ras dance? And the horn is not because Baladev Prabhu, he performs Ras dance also. And so some people, they don't believe the Baladev Prabhu, he performs Ras dance. No, Baladev Prabhu also performs Ras dance. Baladev Prabhu Ras dance, Gopis Katha, Sukdev Goswami Pad, not explained. Only 1 or 2 slokas he explained then Krishna, Baladev Prabhu, he performed Ras dance with the Gopis in the month of Chaitra and Vaisakha. And that is called according to the English month, it is maybe end of February, March and the beginning of April. That's called Chaitra Chapa. And Indian month, Chaitra month. And Chaitra month means is what? That is called Chait month. That is called end of March or beginning of the April. So Baladev Prabhu, he performed Ras dance with the Gopis. But not Sukdev Goswami Pad very elaborately described Baladev Prabhu Raslila Katha. Because Sukdev Goswami Pad completely absorbed to describe about Gopis and Krishna Lila Katha. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, Baladev Prabhu, he did not say so many Baladev Prabhu's pastimes. Only few pastimes Baladev Katha. This thing. Because Sukdev Goswami completely absorbed with Gopis Katha. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam, not so many mention about Baladev Prabhu Ras Dance Katha, or only few slokas is there. So for this regard, many people they complain, they Hari the Baladev Ras Lila Katha. But he has the Srimad Bhagavatam also. And one or two slokas are there. So Baladev Prabhu, he is called Krishna's Ditya Vigraha. And so Sang Roop, Sang Prakash, Sang Roop, Sang Prakash. Sang Prakash in Braje, Brajendra Nandan. And at a time Krishna manifests many forms and performs Ras dance with the gopis. And at a time Krishna, he also in Dwaraka, he manifests many forms and married with the queens, 16,108 queens are there. And once Narada Rishi came in Dwaraka, then Narada Rishi became very surprised. How Krishna, he at a time staying with all the queens of Dwaraka. And Narada Rishi, when he came in one place, the Krishna is there. Another place Krishna is there. Ras dance, Krishna also manifesting many forms and staying with all the gopis. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad saying, there are no necessary Krishna manifests many forms in the Ras dance. Krishna is very expert how to dance. Very quickly, he goes one gopi to one gopi, one gopi. That is called Alavat Chakra. Alavat Chakra means you would take one burning stick and very quickly, if you moving, then you can see one the that is called what then? Circle. So in the same way, Krishna in the Ras dance in Vrindavan, he goes one gopi to one gopi, very quick. For this regard, all the gopis are thinking, Krishna, he is always with me. They have Saubhagya mode. Saubhagya with the intoxication with their fortune. Saubhagya mode. And Srimati Radhika, she is middle. And she looks, oh, Krishna is me and also going to there. Then Srimati Radhika is her man coming. And then Srimati Radhika, she did not dance with Krishna. Then Krishna is thinking, what will do now? Now Srimati gets the mano prasadana, prasamana prasadana. Then Krishna have to destroy the gopis, their Saubhagya mat. And simultaneously Krishna have to pacify Srimati Radhika's man. So for this regard, Tatradyam, Tadhardyan, Kesavam. Then Krishna disappeared from the Ras dance and Srimati Radhika. When Krishna disappeared Ras dance, then gopis they said Krishna is not with them. That time that Ras dance completely was stopped. Then gopis they felt separation from Krishna. Or here another form Krishna is staying with Srimati Radhika and coming on the bank of Jomuna and bring to Srimati Radhika in what is called Singarvat. When we are going to Vrindavan Parikrama Singarvat. That time Srimati Radhika mood, another mood coming, that is called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, okay, you have to devote my body, put alta, my feet, alta understand, devote barley, put my body. did also decorate my hair. Sukadeva Goswami very, very nicely explained this katha also. Yatha kaminna. Yatha kaminna means what? Kaminna understand? As like lusty person, completely what? Intoxicated with her wife. Understand? Or beloved?
Control.
Control. Then Srimati Radhika controls to Krishna. We have to do this. Then Krishna is doing as like a lusty person. So use this word, Jatha Kaminna. Kaminna means the one who completely controlled by his wife or beloved. Then Krishna. This is like. Gaur Preman.